Hello, this is Mr. Mulligan's Marvelous Mathematics, and we're going to go over Pearson 14-3, which is the last part of our English system or customary units. So let's go. 14-3 on my student account. If I click right here, it shows all the things that we need. First, with a visual learning. Remember, after you click this play button, and this one says 1 of 2, you would hit this button on this bottom right, and then you would go and you'd answer a question. Convince me, and you answer in here. When you're finished, you hit this green check mark. Once you hit that, it'll save your work and turn it in. If you do not click that, then it will not give me your work. It'll just say incomplete, and it may grade you as a 0%. But that's not what we're working on today. What we're working on today, we're going to go all the way to number 5, reteach to understand, because I want to look at these units. 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, and 1 pound is 16 ounces. Notice we're not saying fluid ounces here, we're saying ounces. This is a solid measurement, not a liquid, not a fluid ounce. This is regular ounces. So let's go straight back from 5 and let's go to 4 and let's look at this guided practice right here. So under this guided practice, question 1 says 2,000 pounds. Well, I just remembered 2,000 pounds is 1 ton. That's our formula. Question 2, 48 ounces equals how many pounds? Well, 16 ounces is 1 pound, so I would do 48 and I would divide it by 16. 16, let's try 3. 3 times 6, 18. Write the 8, carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Divide, multiply, subtract, and I have 0, so my answer is 3 pounds. Question 3, 1/2 of a pound is how many ounces? Well, if 16 ounces is 1 pound, 1/2 of 16 is 8 ounces. 16,000 pounds is how many tons? Well, 2,000 pounds is 1 ton, so 2,000 times 8 is 16,000. So 16,000 pounds is 8 tons. Question 5 and 6, compare, write greater than, less than, or equal to for each bubble. Which one is bigger, 2 tons, which is 8,000 pounds, or 45,000 pounds? 45,000 pounds. What's bigger, 4 pounds or 64 ounces? Well, if you don't know what 16 times 4 is, you can do the work. 16 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Write the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Oh, 64, 64. This actually is equals to. Explain, would it be best to measure the weight of an egg in tons, pounds, or ounces? I'm going to go with ounces. Eggs don't weigh that much, so ounces is your best bet to weigh it. Estimate the number of tons in 10,145 pounds. Well, I would just make that 10,000. 10,000 divided by 2 would be 5. 10,000 divided by 2,000 is 5 tons. 5 tons is about 10,000 pounds, and that would be a good estimate. An adult giraffe can weigh up to 3,000 pounds. Does an adult giraffe or an adult elephant weigh more? That goes with the video, so I'm not going to answer that question, but you can also use logic to figure out which one is bigger, a giraffe or an elephant. I think I know the answer, but I'm going to let you decide that one on your own. And that is all from 14-3. converting customary units of weight. It's been fun. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.